Welcome student, my name is Kuldeep Singh Solanki and today we are going to discuss some example of indeterminacy for truss cases. Okay, and in previous lecture we have already discussed the example of indeterminacy for rigid structure, both for kinematic and statics. So in this lecture we will discuss example of indeterminacy for truss cases, truss in 2D. Okay, so now we starts. So this is the for pin joint plane frame. Pin joint means truss case. Okay, and plane frame means just 2D. Then pin jointed plane frame means truss in 2D. Okay, if this is the pin jointed space frame means truss in 3D. So this is a pin joint and plane frame. It means truss in 2D. So this is the first example. This is the truss and we can calculate kinematic and static determinacy for this case. Okay. So now we calculate the static indeterminacy. So ds, this is the two external combination of the addition of external static indeterminacy and internal static indeterminacy. So we can calculate separately or combine. So in this case we can calculate separate. So the value of DSC, formula for DSC is equals to R minus E. What is the R? R is the number of external reaction are available. So in this case, two supports are available at A and at D. At support A, this is the pin support. We know at pin support two reactions are available. One is vertical and one is horizontal. So at A, two reactions are available. At D, this is the roller, and we know roller have only one reaction, one vertical reaction. Okay, so total reaction is equals to 2 at A and 1 at D. It means 3. The value of R is equals to 3. E, what is the E? E is the equilibrium equation. So how many equilibrium equation are available? There are 3 equilibrium equation are available. It means summation of horizontal direction, the summation of forces in horizontal direction, summation of forces in vertical direction and moments. Then 3 equilibrium equation are available. Then we can put the values in DSC and we get 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. It means our structure is determinate by externally determinate. So also we can calculate the internal. Then DSC is equals to 0 and we can calculate DSI. Then the formula of DSI, it means internal static indeterminacy. Okay, formula is M plus E minus 2J. And what is the M? M is the number of members are available. How many number of are member available? Then in our structure we can count member AB, member BC, member CD, member DE, member EA, member BC, member EC. Okay, now how many member? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in this case we have 7 number of member. Okay, E is the number of equilibrium equation, there are 3. And J, what is the J? J is the number of joints are available in our structure. In this case we have 5 number of joint at A, B, C, D and E. This is the joints. And how many joints? 5 joints are available. Now put the values of M, E and J in the formula. Then DSA is equals to 7, number of members 7 plus E, equilibrium equation is equals to 3 minus 2J. J is the number of joint 5. So the value of DSI is equals to 10 minus 10 is equals to 0. It means for we can add DSC and DSI, then we finally get the 0. So we can say our structure is statically determinate, not indeterminate, because value of DS is equals to 0. Then we can say our structure is statically determinate by determinate, not required degree, just statically determinate structure. Okay. Also we can calculate kinematic indeterminacy for this case. The formula is dk. This is a kinematic indeterminacy formula for 2D case in truss. Then formula of dk is equals to 2j minus r. J is the same number of joints. How many number of joints? 5. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, 5 joints are available. And R is the same number of external reactions. There are 3 reactions are available. So now put the values in the formula. 2 into 5 minus 3. The value of dk is 7. It means we can say our structure is kinematically indeterminate. Our structure is kinematically indeterminate by 7 degree. Why 7 degree? Because value of dk is equals to 7. So we can say our structure is kinematically indeterminate by 7 degree. Okay. Is it clear? First example is clear. So we can get next example is, this is the second example. This is also a 2D truss. Okay, this is all example for 2D truss, and we can calculate ds and dk both. So start the ds. ds is equals to dsc and dsi. So we can calculate first dsc. The formula for dsc is equals to r minus a. This is the same for all, r minus e. How many supports are available? In our structure, 2 supports are available, at A and at G. At A, this is the pin support, and we know at pin support 2 reactions are available, one horizontal and one vertical. So at G, this is the roller. At roller, 1 vertical reaction are available. So in this case, how many reactions? 2 at A and 1 at G. Okay. Then how many reactions? 2 at A and 1 at G. It means 3 number of external reactions are available. Now put the formula, put the values in formula. ds is equals to r minus c. Value of r is equals to 3, and E is the number of equilibrium equation. There are 3 number of equilibrium equation are available. So this is 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay. Now we can calculate the DSI. DSI is equals to internal static indeterminacy. The formula is m plus E minus 2j. M, what is the m? We know m is the number of member. In this case, we have 23 number of member are available. You can count according to you. How many number of member are available? 23 number of member are available. And E is the equilibrium equation. There are 3 number of equilibrium equation are available. And J is the joint. How many joints are available? In this case, we have 12 number of joints. We can count A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L. This is the 12 number of joint. So put the value of M, E and J in the formula, and we can get DSI is equals to 2. After putting all the values and calculating, we can get DSI value of DSI is equals to 2. And finally add the external and internal indeterminacy. The 0 plus 2 is equals to 2. So final value of our final value of ds is equals to 2. So we can say our structure is statically indeterminate. Our structure is statically indeterminate by 2 degree, because value of ds is equals to 2. So we can say our structure is statically indeterminate by 2 degree. Okay. Also we can calculate dk. It means kinematic indeterminacy. For this case, the formula of dk is equals to 2j minus r. J is equals to number of joint, and we know 12 number of joint are available. R is the number of external reaction. There are 3 number of external reaction. Then put the value of J and R, and we can get the value of dk is equals to 21. The value of dk is equals to 21. So we can say our structure is kinematically indeterminate. Our structure is kinematically indeterminate by 21 degree. Okay, clear? So next example is third example. This is also 2D truss, and calculate the static indeterminacy ds. So formula of ds is equals to external indeterminacy and internal indeterminacy. So external static indeterminacy is equals to formula, same formula, R minus E. How many reaction and how many equilibrium equation? We know there are three equilibrium equation. The value of E is equals to 3 and value of R is the external reactions. So in this case at support A and support E. Support A is the pin support, two reactions are available. At E this is the roller support, so one reactions are available. The total number of reaction is 3. Then total number of reaction is 3. Okay, and put the values of R and A in the DAC formula and calculate the DAC is equals to 0. Okay, also calculate DSI. The formula of DSI is equals to M plus E minus 2J. M plus E minus 2J. M, what is the M? M is the number of member are available in our structure. Then how many member? AB 1 member, BC 2 member, CD 3 member, DE 4 member, EF 5 member, FA 6 member, BF 7, FD 8 and BD 9. Okay, then how many member are available? 9 member are available. Is the number of equilibrium equation is equals to 3. J is the how many joints are available? At in our structure 6 joint are available. A joint, B joint, C joint, D joint, E joint and F joint. So how many joint? 6 number of joints are available. So put the value of M, E and J in DSI formula. The value of DSI is equals to 9 plus 3 minus 2 into 6. After calculating this is the we can get 0. So DSI 0 and DSE 0. So after adding final value of DS is equals to 0. So we can value of DS is equals to 0. So we can say our structure is determinate structure, or we can say our structure is statically determinate structure. Okay. Now we can calculate kinematically indeterminacy. Kinematic indeterminacy dk formula is same formula, 2J minus R. J is the number of joint. How many number of joint? 6 number of joint are available. So value of J is equals to 6 and R is the external reactions. At A 3 reaction are available. At E 1 reaction are available. At how many total reaction is 3? The value of R is equals to 3 and put the value of J and R 6 and 3 and we can get the value of dk is equals to 9. Value of dk is equals to 9. So we can say our structure is kinematically indeterminate. Our structure is kinematically indeterminate by 9 degree because value of dk is equals to 9. Clear? So next example is, this is all the pin joint and plane frame, truss 2D, truss in 2D. So static indeterminacy ds, formula of ds is equals to dsc plus dsi. ds is the same formula, R minus A. How many external reactions? At A pin support, at D roller support. So how many reaction? Total reaction is equals to 3. 2 at A and 1 at D. 2 reaction at A, 1 horizontal, 1 vertical. At D, 1 vertical. So value of R is equals to 3. Is the equilibrium equation. There are 3 number of equilibrium equation are available. Then 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. The value of ds is equals to 0 and we can calculate also dsi. The formula of dsi is equals to m plus e minus 2j. How many members are available in our structure? Then in this case we have 10 members. Okay, in this case we have 10 member. Count AB 1 member, BC 2 member, CD 3 member, DE 4 member, EF 5 member, FA 6 member and BF 7, CE 8, BE 9 or FC 10. This is the 10 member are available. E is the number of equilibrium equation. This is 3. J, how many joints are available? A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 joints are available. Now put the value of M, E and J in the DSI formula and number of member 10 plus E is 3 minus 2 into J is equals to 6. And after calculating we can get that value of DSI is equals to 1 and finally add the DSC and DSI. Then final value of ds is equals to 1. The value of ds is equals to 1. It means our structure is statically indeterminate. Our structure is statically indeterminate by 1 degree. Why 1 degree? Because value of dc is equals to 1, value of ds is equals to 1. So we can say our structure is statically indeterminate by 1 degree. Okay. Also kinematic indeterminacy for this case, this is the formula dk is equals to 2j minus r, and j, how many joints are available, value of j is equals to 6 because 6 joints are available, and r is the number of reaction 3. Now put the value of j and r, so finally we can calculate the dk, and in this case we have the 9, value of dk is equals to 9. So also we can say our structure is kinematically indeterminate by 9 degree. Because value of dk is equals to 9, so we can say our structure is kinematically indeterminate by 9 degree. Okay. Okay, this is all for today, and in next lecture we will discuss some more example of indeterminacy, both static and kinematic case, and also related to hinge. Okay, thank you.